Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the 0xC000007B error on Windows 11 in a simple way. First, go ahead and open up your Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking your taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, click on Run New Task at the top. Now click on Browse. Navigate to your C drive, then open the Windows folder. Scroll down and open the System32 folder. Inside this folder, use the search bar and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt, select it and open it. In the command window, at the end of the path, type GPUpdate and press Enter. Let the process finish. Once done, you can close the command window. Next, go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Open it, then go to Programs. After that, click on Turn Windows Features on or off at the top. In this window, find .NET Framework 3.5 and check the box next to it. Press OK. Windows will now ask to download the required files. Choose Let Windows Update download the files for you. Wait for the installation to complete, then close the window. For the final step, open your browser and go to the DirectX download page. Download the DirectX Runtime web installer. Choose your preferred language, then run the installer. Accept the agreement, click Next, and complete the installation. Once finished, click Finish. Thanks for watching.